Everything Search bookmarks let you save your most useful searches so you can reuse them instantly later. In this guide, I'll show you how to create bookmarks, manage them, and use them to speed up your file searches. First, open Everything Search from your desktop or Start menu. Then type any search you want to save as a bookmark. Next, go to the Bookmarks menu at the top. Click Add Bookmark. Give it a name so you can recognize it later, like invoices or large files. You can also save a bookmark faster by pressing Ctrl plus number keys if you assign shortcuts. This lets you open saved searches instantly without going through menus. To use a saved bookmark, just open the Bookmarks menu again and click the one you created. Everything will instantly run that saved search again. If you want to change a bookmark, open the Bookmarks menu and select Manage Bookmarks. From there, you can edit the search, rename it, or remove it completely. It helps to keep your bookmarks organized with clear names. For example, group them by file type or task, like work files, media files, or downloads, so this makes searching much faster later. Finally, click a bookmark and make sure it runs the correct search. If it works properly, you're all set to use it anytime with just one click, and that's how to use Everything Search bookmarks. Save your common searches once, and you'll never have to type them again.